from R.D. Sharma, Class 6, Chapter number 6, Fraction. In that, exercise 6.7, question number 5. The following fractions represent just three different numbers. Separate them into the three groups of equal fraction by changing each one in the simplest form. Now this whole number we have to make in simplest form. So let us first do that. Now 2 ones are 2 6 are 12, so 1 upon 6. Here second one, 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 1 upon 5. 8 upon 50 is there, so 8 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 remain 25, so 4 upon 25. We can cancel? No. Now here 16, first of all we'll do with 2, so 2 8s are 2, 5s are 10, 50, so 2 4s are and 2 25s are, so equal to 4 upon 25. Now another one 60, 10 upon 60, so 0 0 cancel, which is 1 upon 6. Here 15 upon 75, 5 3s are and 5 1s are 5, 15s are, so 3 upon 15, so 3 1 here only, 3 1s are and 3 5s are, so 1 upon 5 is the answer. Here only I had cancel out. Now 12 upon 60, now 6 2s are 12 and 6 10s are 60, 2 1s are and 2 5s are, so 1 upon 5. Here 16, so 8 2s are 16 and 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2 6 are 12, so 1 upon 6. 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6, 5s are 15. Then again no cancellation, so 4 upon 25. 12 1s are and 12 6 are 72, so 1 upon 6. Here 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18, so 1 upon 6. 4 upon 5 as it is, 4 upon 25. Now you can see here three categories there, 1 upon 6, 4 upon 5 and here 1 upon 5. See, you can see here common. Now whichever it is included in 1 upon 6, we'll write that first 1 upon 6. Now in the question also it is written that three categories there, so three category we got it, so 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5 and 4 upon 25. Now whichever included in this, just write it down the question. Three groups are of equal fraction. First one is 1 upon 6, so 2 upon 12, 10 upon 60, 16 upon 96, 12 upon 72 and 3 upon 18. And for the 1 upon 5, 3 upon 15, 15 upon 75, 12 upon 60. And for the 4 upon 25, 8 upon 50, 16 upon 100, 12 upon 75 and 4 upon 25 is the answer. Isha read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. So total pages in book is 100 and Isha read 25 only. Nagma read one half of the same book. Now Nagma is read half of the book. Who read less? Now here we have to find who read less. First of all we'll write whichever one upper. So total pages in book equal to 100. Fraction of the book read by Isha. Isha read 25 pages, right, and total is 100. So we can cancel it. 25 ones are and 25 fours are. So answer is 1 upon 4. and fraction of the book read by Nagma equal to 1/2. Okay, now we have to compare. So now compare 1/4 and 1/2. Now here directly we can write that if the numerator is same, whichever the biggest denominator, that is the last number, note, right? So we can write therefore 1/4 is less than 1/2. So who read last? Isha read less. Okay, so directly we can write, because of the numerator is same, so we can write whichever the greatest denominator, that is the smallest fraction. So Isha read less is the answer. Question number 7. Arrange the following fraction in the ascending order. Now here ascending order, first one denominator are same, 99999. So we will see the numerator. Last one ascending order means smallest to smaller to greater. So first number will come 1, 1/9, then 2, 2/9, then 3, 3/9, then 4, 4/9, and 1, 4, after 4, 5, then 5, 8, 6/9, and 7/9 is the answer. Now second one, here numerator is same, so whichever the greatest denominator, that is the smallest fraction, so we'll write the answer over here, that ascending order is 7/25, then another one 18, 7/18, then 7/11, 7/10, 7/8 is the answer. Okay, now let us see fifth one. Here fifth one is 2/5, 3/4, 1/2, and 3/5. No denominator and no numerator are same, so we will make this numerator same. Okay, so let us do it. Now here we have to find the LCM first. So LCM of 5, 4 and 2. 5 again came, so I had not written. Now 2, 5, 2 za 1 za 2, 5, 1, 1, and 5, 1, 1, 1. Now 2 2 za 4, 4 5 za 20. LCM equal to 20. Now here we have to multiply with 4, and 4 with 5, 2 with 10, and 5 with 4. So what is the answer? 4 2 za 8/20, the 5 3 is 15/20, 10/20, and 12/20. Now we have to arrange in ascending order. So what we will do? Smallest number is, smallest fraction is 8/20, then 10/20, and 12/20, and 15/20. This is the answer. Now we'll write in this. So equal to 8/20 is 2/5, 10/20 is 1/2, then 3/5, then after that 3/4 is the answer. Question number 8. Arrange in descending order in each of the following symbol using the symbol this greater than. Okay, now 8/17, 8/9, 8/5, 8/13. Their numerator is same, so whichever the greatest denominator, that is the smallest fraction. So here whichever the smallest denominator, that is the greatest fraction. So what we will write the answer, that 8/5 greater than 8/9 greater than 8/13 greater than 8/17. So the answer is whichever the smallest denominator, that is the greatest fraction. So 8/5 greater than 8/9 greater than 8/13 greater than 8/17. 17 is the answer. Now your different denominator is there, so we can write as we have to find the LCM. So LCM of 9, 12, 3 and 15. First of all 2, 9 6 are 3, 15. Then again 2, 9, 3, 3, 15. Then 3, 3s are 1s are 1s are 5s are 3 1s are 1s are 1s are 5. 5 1s are 1 and 1. So what is the LCM? LCM equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, 36 5s are is 120. Now your answer is LCM is 180. Sorry, 180. Then now 9 into what we have to multiply? 20 is 180. 12 into 15, 3 into 60 and 15 into 12. Now this answer is 20 into 5 is 2 5s are 10 is 100 upon 180. 15 into 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 3 4, 3 5s are 15, 1 3 1s are 3 4, 45 upon 180, 60 upon 180, 4 2s are 8, 4 48 upon 180. Now we can write easily in descending order. First 100 upon 180, then 60 upon 180, then 48 upon 180, and then 45 upon 180. Now we'll write the question form fraction, which is 5 upon 9, then 60 upon is 1 upon 3, 48 is 4 upon 15, and 45 is 3 upon 12 is the answer. To make the sign, so I am writing here 5 upon 9 greater than and greater than. Here also same way, okay, greater than sign will come because it is here written that we have to use symbol. Now question number 9. Find answer to the following. Write, indicate how you solve them. Now first of all, is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? Let us check it out. Now how to write this? Write here 5 by 9 and 4 by 5. Okay, if we cross multiply it, 5 into 5 and 4 into 9. Okay, 5 into 5 is 25 and 4 into 4 9s are 36. So therefore 25 is not equal to 36. So no, 5 by 9 is not equal to 4 by 5. Now do second one. Here again we have to write in same way that 9 by 16 and 5 by 9. Cancellation, cross multiplication, so 9 into 9 and 5 into 16. 9 into 9 is 81 and 5 into 16, 6 5s are 30, 5 1s are 5, 6 7 8. So it is 80. Therefore 81 is not equal to 80. So what we will write? No, 9 by 60 is not equal to 5 by 9. If this cross multiplication is equal to, then yes, this fraction is equal to this. Like this way you have to write. Thank you for watching this video.